Today, I'll walk you through how to delete blank rows in Google Sheets, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to clean up your spreadsheet so you can focus on the data that really matters. First, let's start by opening Google Chrome. If you don't have it open yet, go ahead and do that now. Once you're in Chrome, look for the app menu in the top right corner. This is where you'll find the Google Sheets application. Next, click on the app menu and select Sheets from the dropdown. This action will take you to your Google Sheets dashboard where all your spreadsheets are stored. Now you can either create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one. If you're opening an existing sheet, just click on it to access your data. If you're creating a new one, simply click on the blank spreadsheet option. Once you have your spreadsheet open, it's time to locate the blank rows. Click on the first blank row you see. This is the row you want to delete. To delete multiple blank rows at once, click and drag your mouse down until you reach the last row that has no data. This will highlight all the blank rows you want to remove. Now right-click on the highlighted area. A menu will pop up and you'll want to select Delete Rows. This will remove all the blank rows you've highlighted in one go. And there you have it, you've successfully deleted blank rows in Google Sheets. Remember, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps remain the same. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.